Shahi. Ola Shazanani. Ola Shazanazid. Ola Shazanazadikada. Eli, 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 Eli. Groan. There's a tongue for groaning. Eli. Soya. For the Spirit helps our infirmities, for we do not know what to pray, but the Holy Ghost begins to grow like There are diversities of prayer and different frequencies of prayer. There are diversities of prayer under different frequencies. When you pray, you must know that you are accessing realms of the Spirit. And in the realms of the Spirit, there are different dimensions. The Bible calls the heavens heavenly places. It is not just one place. There are dimensions of the heavenlies, and there are different frequencies into these dimensions of the heavens. That's why when you come like the Shahina Menamanandasht, you ascend into the first heavenly dimension. By the time you're done in the dimension, you pause a little bit and pick a certain vibration in your spirit for another ascension. Then suddenly, Halila, Halila, you've moved from where you were before into the next dimension with another tongue, with another vibration, with another frequency of the Spirit. While you ascend into that dimension of tongues, you begin to exhaust, you begin to touch the creatures, the heavenly things in that dimension. You begin to lay hold and interact with the blessings and establishments of God in that dimension of the heavenlies. By the time your spirit is done, you pause a little bit, catch a little bit of breath. Eli, 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 Elevina, into the next heavenly realms. Bahila, Esasapalina, Elekosasa, Elesampentala, Elevia, and then the entities of that dimension will begin to commune with you. Switch out of the sensual world. By the time I'm done with all of you, in the next couple of years, you will see what prayer is. The church has not prayed yet. The current church prayers we have today is just in circles. Prayer, it's supposed to be a portal. By the time we open our mouth, the atmosphere is breaking. Dimensions are unveiling. We begin to hear the sound of heaven. A new sound of a rushing mighty wind. We begin to filter through your ears of the Spirit, and suddenly you hear sounds of the Spirit. And by the time you hear the first sound and you say it, that becomes a transportation into that frequency that sound came from. must be discerning. We must be listening to the sounds of the Spirit, because we transport into dimensions of that sound when we hear the sound and begin to utter Halima Nena, Halima Nima, 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 Halima Nima. La Villa Sacoparada, Elia, Sapandetedia, Savira. The Holy Ghost comes with the sound. The Holy Ghost comes with a sound. Until the church learns to tap into the frequencies of the sound of the Spirit, elevation will be difficult. It will be difficult to ascend into the dimensions of the Spirit. How can we see the visions of the Spirit if we don't know how to ascend? Ola Shazanani, Ola Shazanazid, Ola Shanazadikada, Eli, 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 Eli. Groan. There's a tongue for groaning. Eli, Soya. For the Spirit helps our infirmities, for we do not know what to pray, but the Holy Ghost begins to grow like